Question number 32, 31, 30, Kalyani, ICC 10th class. Given BAE angle equal to 70 degree and DCE angle equal to 50 degree, you have to find AEC. How can you find this one? First, join AC. Now, BAC. BAE angle equal to 70 degree. So, here this is tangent, AB is tangent and BAE angle equal to 70 degree. So, alternate segment angle, that is ACE angle is the alternate segment angle is also 70. This is AE is the chord and AB is the tangent. So, this angle equal to alternate segment angle, that is ACE. From this AE chord, the angle subtended is ACE. Similarly, CE is the chord and this is tangent. So this angle equal to alternate segment angle, that is here this one, the CAE angle. This is 50 degree, so CAE angle equal to 50 degree. This is 70 degree, so ACE angle equal to 70 degree. Now this is here in triangle AEC, A angle is here 50 degree and C angle is 70 degree. So E angle is here 180 minus 50 plus 70. This is 180 minus 50 plus 70, that is equal to 60 degree. Now question number 31. Here given BDC equal to 32 degree given and E angle is 48 degree given, and this is here FCD angle 30 degree given. You have to find BCE, CAD, ACB and CFD. Now this is here CD is chord and this is here tangent. So alternate segment angle is here. From C and D, this angle subtended is this one. From C and D, angle subtended is this one, and from CD, angle subtended this one. So this is your 30 and this is also 30. Okay, this is your alternate segment angle 30, 30. Now BC is your chord and this is your tangent. This is from BC subtended angle is 32. So this is also 32. This is your alternate segment angle. So this is 32 means this is 32. BC is the chord and this is tangent. This is 32 means this is 32. And this is your 30, 30. This is 30, 30 and this is 32. Now this is BCE angle is asked. BCE angle is 32 degree alternate segment angle. CAD angle equal to 30 degree alternate segment angle. Now we have to find ACB. This angle we have to find. Now this is your 32 means C from BC this is subtended angle, from BC this is subtended angle. So this is also 32. Now to find CFD. CFD means this angle. To find this angle in the triangle AFE, this is 48 and this is your 30 plus 32. So two angles are given. We have to find out the third angle, that is 180 minus sum of two angles. So your CFD angle is your CFD angle is same as EFA angle or AFE angle. In triangle AFE, AFE angle equal to 180 minus A angle plus E angle, that is your 72 degree. Now to find ACB, we have to find, see, in triangle ACE, A angle is given, E angle is given. We have to find this angle, ACE angle. So this angle AC, we have to find this one. Okay, ACB we have to find first. Find out the angle ACE. How can you find ACE? ACE angle equal to 180 minus 32 plus 48. Now ACB angle equal to here how much? ACE angle equal to 180 minus A angle plus E angle, that is your 100. So this angle is 100 degree. Now ACB angle equal to 100 minus 32, that is 68 degree. So this is 68 degree. So this is your 32, 30, 68 and 72. Now come to the 30 number question. In 30 number question, given, this is your given PQT angle equal to 20 degree given and TSP angle 36 degree given. You have to find QRS, QTS and a reflex of QOS and QPS. Now QRS means this angle you have to find, reflex of QOS means this angle you have to find, QPS means this angle you have to find and QTS means this angle. Now this is QT is the chord and PQ is the tangent. So alternate segment angle is from PQT. Alternate segment angle will be first join the QS. Now from QT subtended angle is your QST, that is 20 degree alternate segment angle, and from ST subtended angle is your SQT, that is also 36 degree alternate segment angle. Now QTS angle equal to 180 minus 36 plus 20, that is angle sum properties. Now QTS angle equal to 124. This is your 124. QTS angle equal to 124. Now this is here. From this side, this is your same segment angle. This is same segment angle. Here is center. Angle subtend to center is double. Okay, angle subtend to center is double. So here it is your 124. So this is your 2 times of 124. From angle subtend to center is double. So this is your reflex of QOS is 2 into 124, that is equal to 248. Now this is your QTS angle equal to how much? 124. QTS angle equal to 124. Now this is your cyclic quadrilateral. So QRS angle equal to 180 minus 124. That is equal to 56 degree. This is supplementary angle. This is a cyclic quadrilateral supplementary angle. So this angle is 180 minus T angle 124, 56 degree. Now to find QPS, to find QPS, this is a triangle. QPS is a triangle. Here this angle is given and this angle is given. You can find this one. This is your 20 plus 36. This is also 20 plus 36. This is your 56. This is 56. So this angle is 180 minus 2 times of 56. So this angle is 68 degree. So this is question number 30, 31, 32 is over Selena ICC 10th class.